Dear friends, in continuation of the previous classes or previous videos, let us discuss about one of the very important problem which was given in May 2016 question paper on leverages. Compare two companies in terms of operating leverage and financial leverage. There are two firms, firm A and firm B. We need to compare between the two firms in terms of operating and financial leverages. Sales 20 lakhs, 30 lakhs. Variable cost 40% of sales and 30% of sales. Fixed cost 5 lakhs and 7 lakhs. Interest 1 lakh and 1 lakh 25,000 respectively for firm A and firm B. Interpret the results of the firm. So after comparing, we need to interpret the results also. Whenever you need to solve any problem on leverages, first and foremost important thing is you need to prepare the master table. So let us discuss about the master table. Master table is the base for calculating the leverages as well as the earnings per share. See particulars firm A, firm B. Sales. Sales of both the firms given as 20 lakhs and 30 lakhs. Variable cost. Variable cost given as 40% and 30% of sales. As I explained, variable cost is always having a direct relationship with the sales. Here, the variable cost is 40% of sales, which is 8 lakhs. That is 40% of 20 lakhs. And for firm B, it is 30% of sales, which is 30 lakhs. So 30% of 30 lakhs, which comes to 9 lakhs. If you deduct it, you will get a contribution which is 12 lakhs and 21 lakhs respectively. Then less fixed cost. So fixed cost is given as 5 lakhs and 7 lakhs. Even though the same firm is given and the sales varies, it will not have any impact on fixed cost because fixed cost remain constant. Here it is 5 lakhs and 7 lakhs given in the question. If you deduct it, you will get an operating profit or EBIT, that is nothing but earning before interest and tax, which comes to 7 lakhs and 14 lakhs respectively. Then out of this EBIT, there are two things are here. One is earning before I and T. I means interest, T means tax. First you need to deduct interest. Interest, it is given as 1 lakh and 1 lakh 25,000. So EBT will be 6 lakhs and 12 lakh 75,000. This is about master table. This is enough to calculate the leverages. If you want to continue to calculate EPS, then further the master table will continue. Otherwise, we can leave it here itself. Now, financial leverage. The formula for financial leverage is equal to EBIT divided by EBT. Whereas, formula for operating leverage is equal to contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution divided by EBIT. Please remember this formula. Financial leverage always depends on I, that is interest factor. So that's why it is EBIT divided by EBT. That means you can remember very easily. Interest plays a very vital role when it comes to financial leverage. So EBIT divided by EBT, in the denominator I factor will not be there. When it comes to operating leverage, it is contribution divided by EBIT, where fixed cost plays a role. So if you observe the master table, contribution minus fixed cost is equal to EBIT. EBIT minus interest is equal to EBT. So to remember this formula, when it comes to financial leverage, interest is the factor. So in between interest is there. So EBIT divided by EBT. When it comes to operating leverage, contribution divided by EBIT, because when it comes to operating leverage, fixed cost plays a role. If you observe the master table, so above fixed cost there is contribution, that will be the numerator. Below fixed cost, that is EBIT, that will be the denominator. So 7 lakhs divided by 6 lakhs, which is 1.16 times when it comes to firm A. For firm B, 14 lakhs divided by 12 lakhs 75,000, which comes to 1.09%, which is financial leverage. For operating leverage, see 12 lakhs divided by 7 lakhs in case of firm A, 21 lakhs divided by 14 lakhs in terms of firm B. So 1.71 and 1.5 times respectively. Now we need to interpret the results. Whichever the firm has the highest values when it comes to financial leverages. So see here, firm A has greater business and financial risk than firm B. Why? If you observe here, when it comes to financial leverage, firm A is more than firm B. When it comes to operating leverage, again firm A is greater than firm B. Whichever firm has a greater financial leverage, that firm will have a greater financial risk. And when it comes to operating leverage, whichever the firm has the greater operating leverage will have a greater business risk. Okay, so this will fetch you 6 marks. Hope you understood the things. Thank you.